How to view saved passwords on Windows. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily view saved passwords on your window. So let's just jump right into it. First thing you're going to have to do is go to your search bar and you're going to search for something called Credential Manager. So just start typing in credential and then the Credential Manager will pop up. Go ahead and open it up. You could also find it on Control Panel. So simply go ahead and open up your Control Panel. Once Control Panel is open, you'll find the Credential Manager right here. Click on it. Now you have different options here. You have web credentials and Windows credentials. So if you want to see these passwords saved on your Windows, you could do that. Click on any one of them and then you will be able to see the password right here. If you want to show the password, you will get an option to show password from here. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.